Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This is going to be a really quick video. Before I got out of all crypto, right? This was going to be my strategy to take profit on the way up. Every single green horizontal line is $1 billion market cap under major psychological level, right? And I'm just running this based off of recent, like, historical events, right? Every green line, perfect exit, right? But if we do close above that 2 trillion market cap, every single time we did that, we ended up running towards 2 trillion every single time. So while right now things are looking decently bearish, right? If you're holding long term and you want to get out, or at least, remove something off the top, right now would be the perfect time to get out of your long-term holds if you think Bitcoin isn't going any higher. But if we close anything above 2 trillion, then 2.5 trillion, I think there's like a 95% chance we get there. So, when doing this, are you willing to risk, potentially like a full drop back down, right? Versus taking at least some right now. And then if we do cross over 2 trillion market cap on a weekly candle, you basically just get back in. You miss like a 5% move, and then you run all the way back to 2.5, if not possibly higher this time. So really, this is just not really a TA, but more so a solid marker of if you're holding crypto longer term, right? And you've went in since like the bottom, or you've been in since a good amount, like a good price. I think right now is a really good time to start trimming some off the top, right? Because every single green marker here, green line, has been 100% accurate in, trimming your crypto, right? But again, if next week, right, or the week after, you end up closing a candle above this 2 trillion market cap, 95% sure you're gonna keep pushing towards $2.5 trillion. It's happened every single time. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.